In this video, I'll be sharing 8 tips that will help you to get 100 subscribers every day on YouTube. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbit family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video, that this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Just imagine you getting 100 subscribers every day on YouTube. Technically, it's actually up to 3,000 plus subscribers every month, right? This is possible. It's something that has worked for me in my other channel, and it's the same thing I'm applying in this channel. And currently, I'm getting 10 to 20 subscribers every day, and I will soon get there, right? So you need to pay attention if you actually want to be getting 100 subscribers every day, 100 organic subscribers, I mean. So what you need to do is to make sure that you pay attention to these 8 tips that I'm going to be sharing in this video, which number 8 is the most important one. So make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So I'll be diving into these tips, right? Number 1 is upload consistently. I know this is one of the most popular tips on YouTube. Whenever they talk about how to grow your channel, they actually tell you to keep posting consistently here. This actually works. For me, it has worked for me several times, and I will also advise you to apply it as well. It will work for you. When I created this channel, I wasn't really taking it serious, right? Most times I might post like today and I might not post again for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes 1 month, until I made a post that actually motivated me to start posting on this channel. And since then I've been consistent. At least in a week I can actually publish like 3 to 4 videos in this channel, and this have actually helped this channel. Right now I can tell you that I make 10 to 20 subscribers every day in this channel, and this is actually one of the smallest channel I have. So when you're posting consistently, it will actually give you opportunity for people to easily subscribe to your channel, because number 1 is that it will spread your content very well, and once anybody gets to watch your video, once you keep posting, algorithm will keep pushing your videos to them. So for some people that are actually watching my video, I know whenever I publish video, algorithm will push it to you whether you subscribe or not. And once they keep pushing this content to you, and whenever you watch them, the content is interesting, there is no way you will not subscribe. And that's the reason why so many people are in this channel today, right? So when you keep posting consistently, it gives you high chance to get new subscribers. So it's important to start posting consistently. So the number 2 tips is writing a clickable title. Your title actually matters a lot. The title you give your video is actually one of the things that trigger people to click on your video, right? For people to subscribe to your channel, firstly they will need to click on your video, right? Once they click on your video, they get to watch the video before they get to subscribe, right? So it's very, very important that you learn how to write a clickable title. So many channels have thousands of videos, but they hardly get views because the kind of title they give to their video, actually when you come across them, it doesn't motivate you to click on that video. So it's very, very important the kind of title you give your video. So learn how to give your video an easy and catchy title, right? So when you see the title of this video, how to gain 100 subscribers every day, you see that it will motivate you to actually click on the video to see what I have to say in the video. So when you click on the video, and after watching the video and the video gave you value, the only thing you need to do is to subscribe so that you get more of it. So the kind of title you give your video actually contributes a lot, right? So it's important that you learn how to use clickable title. This will give you more subscribers. So tip number 3 is give people a reason to subscribe. Understand? It's very, very important that you give people reason to subscribe to your channel. Like when you come to this channel, I actually introduce you. Welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online, right? So I'm letting you to know the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel, because when you subscribe to this channel, you are going to be learning how to grow your social media platform and also how to make money online. So it's very, very important that you indicate the reason why people must subscribe to your channel. You need to tell them what they are going to be gaining from your channel once they subscribe. So there are many ways for you to actually get people to understand the reason why they should subscribe to your channel. Number 1 is actually by telling them just exactly the way I actually tell you people each time you watch my video. And also you can keep showing them subscribe button on your screen time to time before your video gets to end. Another way that actually works better is on your bio. You can actually tell them what to gain when they subscribe to this channel on your bio, and also put it down in your banner like this way I did on my own, right? I say, welcome to Grow Better, learn how to build, grow your social media platform, and also how to make money. Understand? So when people get to understand the reason why they're supposed to subscribe to this channel, they can easily subscribe. So it's very, very important that you indicate, give people reason to subscribe to your channel, right? And this way take us to the fourth tips, which is improve your content, right? It's very, very important that you improve your content. I know when you start YouTube, your content might not be that good, but time to time you start getting better, right? So it's very, very important that you improve, so that when people get to see, this is the reason why I'm subscribing to your channel, right? When they watch your videos, they will see that they are getting the same thing you promised them. It's very, very important when you promise people that they will get this thing in your video. When they get to watch the video, they will now get a lot of value after watching that video, right? So when you put out a good title, which is clickable title, when people click on it and come in to watch your video, they are expecting something, and if you don't give them that thing that they are expecting, they will not subscribe to your channel. So once you improve your content and give people what you promised them, you will see that they will keep subscribing, and before you know it, you start getting 100 subscribers every day. It's very, very important to improve, keep improving, watch other creators, see what they are doing, and learn from them and improve your content, so that when you put out a clickable title, when they come in, they watch your video and the video add value to them, they will easily subscribe. The same thing is also applicable after you have given them the reason to subscribe. Once they come in and they are getting that same promise you promise them, you see they will easily subscribe. So it's very, very important that you improve your content. So number 5 tip is focus on evergreen content, right? There is no video that gives subscribers more than evergreen content, right? Evergreen content can actually give you views from now to next 5 years. And so far, people are watching these videos every day. New subscribers keep coming from there. So don't just create video that dies after a few days. So I've been on YouTube for a very long time. I started YouTube since 2019, and I can tell you that from my experience, I get to understand that evergreen content are the best. I have a channel that I post entertainment gist, right? So in that channel, I'm supposed to create content every day because news do expire, right? So a few days ago, they are talking about Grammys, right? So if you made a video about Grammys, you will see that after Grammys, those videos don't have any value anymore, because nobody would like to watch news of things that happened 5 days ago or even 1 week ago, right? So it's important that you create evergreen content. Evergreen content are some of this content, like how to do this, that gives value to people. This kind of content can give you views for years, and once this content are giving you views, it gives you more opportunity to gain subscribers, right? So in this channel, we are focusing mainly on evergreen content because we know the value of evergreen content. So it's important that you get to understand evergreen content, create more of evergreen content, and this will help you to start gaining 100 subscribers every day. I can tell you this video right here, how to make money with other people's video on Facebook. This is a typical example of evergreen content. So I created this video over 5 months ago, and up to date, this video is still giving me views, right? It's currently 20,000 something views, and till date is still one of the most viewed videos in this channel. And as they are viewing it, subscribers are still coming in because of this video. So this is a typical example of evergreen content. And one thing is that when you are creating evergreen content, make sure that it add value to people, because as people are watching the video and they love it, there is no way they will not subscribe, right? For instance, after watching this video and this video added value to your life, you have no choice than to subscribe to get more of it, right? So it's important for you to create more evergreen content. The more people keep watching it every day by day, the more it keep bringing subscribers. So this is another way to gain 100 subscribers every day. So number 6 tips is sharing your videos, right? It's important for you to share your content in other platforms like Facebook group, WhatsApp group, and any other place that you can actually share your video to get more views. Sharing your video doesn't actually mean by sharing your link and telling people to watch this video, right? It's important for you to give people a reason to watch the video. So when I was creating health content for a certain company, I used to go to Pinterest to write an article. So after writing the article, I will put my YouTube link. And once people get to read the article and they get to where they will see that YouTube link, they have no choice than to click on the link to learn more. And once they click on the video and the video actually gave them what I promised on the article, right, they have no choice than to subscribe. So when you go to Facebook, go and look for group that is actually sharing the kind of content you're creating on YouTube, and write article and drive people to click on your YouTube link. And once they keep clicking on your YouTube link and your video is adding value to them, you see they will keep subscribing. And this is another way for you to actually gain 100 subscribers every day. So number 7 tip is ranking your videos on YouTube. It's very important for you to create content that actually ranks very well on YouTube. For instance, when people search how to make money on Facebook, they get to see your videos. When they search some certain things, they get to see your videos. So when they get to watch your video and see that your video gave them exactly what your thumbnail and your title promised them, you see that they get to subscribe. So ranking your videos on YouTube is not only by search term, right? Your video can also be ranked through suggestion or homepage, right? And while ranking your videos on YouTube, is very important to work on your thumbnail as well, because when they get to see your video, your thumbnail also does a kind of work to drive them to click in the video. So it's very important to create videos that ranks on Google or ranks on YouTube, so that when people are looking for solution and they search for a certain topic, they will get to see your video, then watch them. It's very important that you create videos that actually rank on YouTube, and also that is suggestible, that when they suggest it to people, people can easily get to watch them. And the more people get to watch your videos, the more subscribers you get. So far your video is interesting and it's adding value to people's life, you know. So finally, number 8 tip is don't quit. So in this our game, most times you might be doing everything right, and still you are not getting views or subscribers, right? And sometimes this can actually make somebody to quit. Why I say that this particular one is the highest is that if you're following all that 7 tips that I said, and at the end of the day you stop posting, there is no way you will achieve it, right? So the best thing is for you not to quit. Keep doing it, even if it's coming small. Keep going. One day you will get to there, all right? I'm speaking out of experience. I have a channel that I was actually working very hard. I was putting out like 5 contents every day in that channel, but at the end of the day, that channel wasn't getting subscribers, right? I worked on that particular channel for like months before I was able to get 3 subscribers, right? So, but I didn't quit. The only thing I did is that I went through my content, then start making research. What is it that I'm not doing right? Until I get to understand the right thing to do, and I started doing them, and boom, before you know it, it started growing small. And I'm telling you that that particular channel is currently 22,000 subscribers at the moment. So the same thing is applicable to this one that is currently 2,000 plus subscribers. I know next few months to come, you see that this particular channel will hit like 20,000, 50,000, 100,000 subscribers. And the only way I can achieve that is by not quitting, because the moment I quit, the moment everything scatters. So stay focused and don't quit. This is where I'll be bringing this video to an end. If you really found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? If you are new on this channel, I will urge you to subscribe so that anytime we post amazing content like this one, you'll be able to get them. So thank you guys for watching and remain blessed.